Hi, I'm George from Memos LLC. These are some 12 by 24 inch tile porcelain, Mudset installation. Everything's level. I just want to show you some of the jobs that we do. This is a new construction build. They hired us to do the flooring. Flooring is about 3,600 square feet. We have it covered up so we can walk on it, but it's still in process. There are some other trades working here still, so that's why the scaffold there, the fan is there. This is the install. This is the kitchen. Hallway. Laundry room. Closet. This is the bedroom. We'll start next week. Showers going in. You can also find me on memosllc.com.